sobrang preparasyon ko, hindi naman nalata, ano? Kasi nag-practice ka din, especially ako. Sa banyo, sa pagtulog, sa school, nagsawa na.
Flag ceremony nila rin ako, inasahan ko ako gano'n, no?
Kahit hindi yata yun sa buong bahay namin, eh. Game show na nila yun.
Kinakabang pa rin po ba kayo yun?
Tapos na!
So, ano po masasabi ng ating mga judges sa ating first contestant? Kuya, why?
Kalakpakan naman natin ang mga contestant. Ang laki ng improvement, ha? Kaya pala hindi na-pitch kanina kasi in-reserve yung ating boss.
Galing yung partner ko.
Very good. Kaya niya yung hinahanap namin dynamic.
Wow!
Ang kulit!
Ikaw po natin sasabihin ng judges. Sige. So far, maganda. Naano ako na. Okay, same yung ating pastore. Ito na namang hindi lang preacher, singer pa. Diba? At saan kayo hahanap ng ganda? Dito lang. Siguro mas yung more yung facial expression. Pero okay lang. Maganda. Na-convince mo na ako. Palakpakan na ba natin sila? Pastor Lito.
Sabi ng aking mga kasama. Okay daw.
Okay ba sa'yo, Pastor Lito?
Ako pa hindi nila gandaan. Kasi medyo kulang yata sa kintab yung kanilang mga tuot eh. No? Actually,
Panalo sa suot.
suot pa lamang panalo rin. And then, regarding sa voice quality, okay naman. Pwede ma'am. Laki ng improvement. Tuloy-tuloy yung lamang mo yan. At ako pinaniniwala. Someday, hindi lamang kayo magiging preacher. Yun lang po.
So, na-amaze niyo po ang judges at nag-improve din po kayo. Thank you very much. Give them a round of applause. Thank you po. So, yan pa
Gusto ko talaga number 1 eh. Number 1 talaga.
Yun. So, yan pala po ang ating first candidate. So, excited na po ba kayo sa pangalawa? Yes! Mapapabilib kaya kayo ng second contestant?
Sino?
Mapapa-amaze din kaya ang mga judges natin? At mapapa-wow din kaya ang mga tao? Okay! Our next candidate, Miss Sally Tabo! With the song of Imagine Me Without You. Let's give them a round of applause. As long as stars shine I believe around into the sun till the end of time forever. You're the only one. In my life you are that now. In my eyes they don't need to when my hopes and dreams are flying. You're the one that goes for me. When I find you I need you. Imagine me without you. I've been losing something through. I'll win the prize today. I'll be afraid without When you called me, I was rolling. Your love lifted me, but warmed my feet. It was like you healed my golden, and you rushed to set me free. When you think the world was there, I will never leave you. I need you. If my gift is without you, I'll be lost in love with you. I'll know that last today. I'll be afraid without you there to see me through. If my gift is without you, Lord, I know it's just impossible. Because of you, it's all I need. My life is now worthwhile, and I'm living without you. Let's see kung hindi ba talaga nila ma-imagine kung wala ka, Ate Sally. Okay, Ate Mabel, how's Ma'am Sally as partner? Kasi po, talagang sa totoo lang, itong ano lang kami nag-practice, itong Sunday lang. So, first time lang talaga namin nagkarinigan. So, nung narinig ko nga ang boses niya, na kasi talagang nasa, kumbaga kung sa boses, may boses siya. Kumbaga, talagang sabi ko nga kung wala pang ganitong program ng church, hindi pa maano na may boses pala si Ma'am. Kumbaga, hindi lang siya pang dancing, pati pang singing pa rin. Oo nga naman. See, ito po nagagawa ng workers do it. Yung sa class po natin, yung may mga boses talaga. Di ba? Oo,